Hi, this is Jonah Bart. We're here at Saul's Halo Halo, and the Ilonggo word for today is dimat. Because dimat is Doc, paki-explain, what is dimat? Anong dimat?
Surprise pa.
The one that you put on the floor?
Sa wonderful feeling that you want to try something that you have already like this.
Oh, I see. How about Carla? What's your definition for dimat?
Dimat, dimatan to.
Something very nice.
Something very
So we have eaten this afternoon. It was so nice that we have to try it again. So that is what you call dimat. It is so good. It's so delicious, and you want to try it again. It's called dimat. How about Debbie? What's your definition of dimat?
Ka-nature.
Amo na tong dimat. Julio! Define dimat. Hindi, nag-vlog me.
Dimat, something, what you call, like, you're going balik-balik, coming again and again. Like falling in love with my...
Tibor. Ano ang dimat?
It keeps repeating coming
And Sherwin?
Kani siya ba pinaka-elite na
Again and again. How about when?
namit.
Nami. Lami kaayo. So, we're here in Cebu, and nadimat kami. We have this dimat feeling. It's a kind of, it's a state wherein you find something like food. So this is halo-halo. And it's not your ordinary halo-halo. It's really delicious because they put something in there. The ice is not just plain shaved ice, but really good. It's already flavored. It's creamy. So it's something that you need to try, and you will find yourself in dimat. This is Jonah Mark, and we're here in Cebu. Say bye-bye. Bye.